Meta has just released a new open-source AI code called AudioCraft, which allows users to create music and sounds entirely through generative AI. This is a major breakthrough in the field of music production, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and listen to music. AudioCraft consists of 3 AI models: MusicGen, AudioGen, and Encodec. MusicGen takes text inputs to generate music, while AudioGen creates audio from written prompts. Encodec is an improved version of Meta's Encodec decoder, which allows users to create sounds with fewer artifacts. The company released some sample audio made with AudioCraft, and it sounded surprisingly natural. Let's check out a few examples of this new technology.
This one is very carefully described: a light and cheery EDM track with syncopated drums, airy pads, and strong emotions, BPM 130. Again, I put the MRC Sonic logo. That one I really like. Let's listen to the Sonic logo. And this is what Facebook's MusicGen came up with. Let's carry on. A few more examples. What have we got here? We have got lo-fi, slow BPM electro chill with organic samples, again using the Sonic logo you've heard before. Oh, this is interesting. Yeah. Easy going. Okay, now we're going to move on a little bit. And let's see what came out from my 80s driving pop song with Sonic logo second time. A cheerful country song with acoustic guitars, again, using our Sonic logo as inspiration, gave us this. Let's try this one, a 90s rock song with electric guitar and heavy drums, using the Sonic logo again. Yeah. I hear the logo in there.
The guitar strings on the song still felt a bit artificial, but the overall sound was very convincing. Meta is not the first company to combine music and AI. Google also released MusicLM, a large language model that generates minutes of sounds based on text prompts. Additionally, an AI-generated song featuring the voices of Drake and The Weeknd went viral before it was taken down. However, AudioCraft is different from these other projects in one key way: it is open source. This means that anyone can use it to create their own music, and it also means that the code can be improved and expanded by the community. Meta believes that AudioCraft has the potential to usher in a new wave of music in the same way that synthesizers changed music once they became popular. We think MusicGen can turn into a new type of instrument, just like synthesizers when they first appeared, the company said in a blog. Of course, there are still some challenges that need to be addressed before AudioCraft can reach its full potential. For example, the current models are trained on a dataset of Western-style music, so they may not be able to generate music in other genres as well. Additionally, some record labels and artists have expressed concerns about the potential for AI models to take in copyrighted material for training. However, these challenges are not insurmountable, and the potential rewards of AudioCraft are enormous. This technology has the potential to democratize music production and make it possible for anyone to create their own music, regardless of their musical skills. It also has the potential to create new and innovative forms of music that have never been heard before. So, what does the future of music look like? It's hard to say for sure, but one thing is for sure: AI is going to play a big role in it. And AudioCraft is just one example of how AI is already starting to change the way we create and listen to music. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We're always working on new content, and we'd love to hear your feedback. Leave us a comment down below about what topics you would like to see covered next. Thanks for watching.